Hey, welcome back. This is the last segment of this series. I've spent 20 minutes on this drawing. I've used some fixatives, so you can see there that the charcoal doesn't come off very easily. So at this point, I am going to start adding the lightest highlights. So going a little lighter than that gray newsprint paper, and maybe working in some more intermediate gray values so that I get all the depth I can out of this. All right, I'm going to turn the music on for a little bit. Again, this is 100% real speed. Feel free to speed up the video in your player, but I thought it was important for you guys to see just how long this takes. How long does it really take someone to do a drawing? I don't know about you. I always feel like I go slow, and I think that's because I watch so many speed videos. So enjoy. Okay, congratulations. You made it to the last couple minutes of this video. I'm just kind of wrapping up the darks here. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. If you give this a shot, let me see it. Post in the comments, send it to me. I'm on Instagram. You can post it to me there, send it through my email, whatever. I would love to see how this works for you and what questions you have after you've done it. Or maybe you have a different way of doing it. I would love to hear. Leave me a comment, all that good stuff. And I will probably be doing some speed videos of this later on. I may even come out with a sped up version of these tutorials. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see that. And if I get even 1 or 2 people, I will make that happen. It shouldn't be too hard. I think even I could figure that out. So have a great day. Happy drawing. And let me see what you come up with.